Hello and welcome to HouseLux Estate, the channel that simplifies the world of investing for you. Today, we delve into a topic that often gets swept under the rug, but is essential to successful investing: emotional investing mistakes. Now, what exactly is emotional investing? It's when our emotions drive our investment decisions instead of rational, well-thought-out strategies. It's that knot in your stomach when the market dips or the rush of adrenaline when a stock soars. But here's the problem. When emotions dictate our decisions, we tend to make mistakes. We buy high out of greed and sell low out of fear, straying from our investment plan. This not only affects our returns, but also adds unnecessary stress to our lives. In today's video, we will guide you on how to overcome these emotional investing mistakes. Emotional investing is when investors make decisions based on their feelings rather than facts and analysis. It's the equivalent of sailing a ship without a compass, where the winds of emotion have more control over your journey than your own rational mind. One of the most common emotional investing mistakes is panic selling. This occurs when investors, driven by fear and uncertainty, sell their shares at a loss simply to avoid potential further losses. However, this knee-jerk reaction often leads to missed opportunities when the market rebounds. Another common pitfall is the fear of missing out, or FOMO. This is when investors, driven by envy or anxiety, buy into a rising stock or market out of fear that they're missing out on potential profits. However, this can lead to buying at the peak and suffering losses when the market corrects itself. Then there's overconfidence, where investors believe they can outsmart the market based on a few successful trades. This can lead to reckless decisions, like investing too much in a single stock or ignoring potential risks. These emotional biases can have a significant negative impact on your investment performance. For instance, panic selling can often lead to selling low and buying high, the exact opposite of a successful investment strategy. On the other hand, FOMO can lead you to invest in overvalued stocks or markets, setting you up for losses when they inevitably correct. Overconfidence, meanwhile, can blind you to potential risks and cause you to make unwise investment decisions. These emotional biases can hinder your investment performance, but don't worry, we are here to help you overcome them. It's important to remember that investing is a long-term game that requires patience, discipline, and a clear-headed strategy. By understanding these emotional investing mistakes, you're already one step closer to navigating the rough seas of the market with a steady hand and a clear mind. So, stay with us as we delve deeper into how to overcome these emotional investing mistakes in the next segment. Now, let's dive into the steps on how to overcome these emotional investing mistakes. First and foremost, it's crucial to create a solid investment plan. This is your roadmap to financial success. A well-structured plan should entail your financial goals, the timeline to achieve them, and the risk tolerance you're comfortable with. It's essential to stick to this plan, regardless of market fluctuations. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about long-term growth, not overnight success. So your plan should reflect that. Secondly, practice discipline. This is easier said than done, especially when the market is volatile. But discipline is the bedrock of successful investing. It's about making decisions based on careful analysis, not on a whim or gut feeling. Discipline means adhering to your investment plan, even when the market is testing your resolve. It's about staying the course, even when your emotions are telling you otherwise. Next, diversify your portfolio. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a risky strategy. Diversification can help mitigate the risk and smooth out your investment returns over time. It involves investing in a variety of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate from different sectors and geographical regions. This way, if one investment performs poorly, it won't sink your entire portfolio. It's like a safety net, protecting your investments from unforeseen market downturns. Also, avoid herd mentality. It's human nature to follow the crowd. But in investing, this can lead to disastrous results. Just because everyone is buying a particular stock doesn't mean it's a good investment. Similarly, just because everyone is selling doesn't mean you should panic and sell too. It's important to do your own research and make your own decisions. Don't let the noise of the crowd cloud your judgment. Moreover, keep your emotions in check. It's natural to feel fear and greed in the face of market volatility. But these emotions can cloud your judgment and lead to poor investment decisions. It's crucial to separate your emotions from your investment decisions. Instead of reacting impulsively to market movements, respond thoughtfully and strategically. This might mean taking a step back, assessing the situation objectively, and making a decision based on facts, not feelings. Lastly, seek professional advice. If you're struggling to manage your emotions in investing, consider working with a financial advisor. They can provide objective advice, help you stick to your investment plan, and guide you through market turbulence. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Investing can be a complex and emotional journey, but you don't have to navigate it alone. In conclusion, overcoming emotional investing mistakes is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It involves creating a solid investment plan, practicing discipline, diversifying your portfolio, avoiding herd mentality, keeping your emotions in check, and seeking professional advice when needed. By following these steps, you can make more rational and informed investment decisions. Maintaining emotional neutrality while investing is crucial for success. Now, let's delve into some useful tips that can help you stay emotionally neutral and make informed decisions. First and foremost, staying informed is the backbone of successful investing. Make sure you're well-versed in the fundamentals of the stocks or assets you're investing in. Understand the market trends, the company's financial health, and the potential risks involved. Knowledge is power, and having a solid understanding of your investments can keep you grounded, even in volatile market conditions. Next, avoid getting caught up in the news hype. It's easy to get swept away by sensational headlines and urgent news alerts. However, these can often lead to impulsive decisions fueled by fear or excitement. Instead, focus on the long-term outlook of your investments. Don't let short-term news fluctuations dictate your investment strategy. Then there's the practice of patience. Investing is not about making quick money. It's about building wealth over time. Quick decisions often result in mistakes, while patience leads to better informed decisions and ultimately better outcomes. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your investment portfolio won't be either. Another crucial tip is to maintain a diversified portfolio. This can help you stay emotionally detached from individual investments. When you spread your investments across different assets, the success or failure of one won't significantly impact your overall portfolio. This can help reduce anxiety and keep your emotions at bay. Lastly, always have a plan. Define your investment goals and outline a strategy to achieve them. Having a clear plan can help you stay focused and disciplined, preventing emotional reactions from derailing your investment journey. In the end, it's all about striking a balance. Emotions are an inherent part of us, and it's unrealistic to completely detach them from our decision-making process. However, by following these tips, you can ensure that your emotions don't cloud your investment decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and discipline are key. To wrap up, emotional investing can lead to costly mistakes. We've journeyed together through understanding the pitfalls of investing with your heart rather than your head. We've learned that emotions can cloud our judgment, leading us astray from rational, informed decision-making. But there's hope yet. We've discovered actionable steps to navigate these murky emotional waters. Developing a solid investment plan, sticking to it, avoiding herd mentality, and keeping our emotions in check are all integral to successful investing. We've also explored tips to maintain emotional neutrality. Remember, regular self-assessment, staying informed about market trends, and seeking professional advice when needed can be your lifeline in the choppy seas of investment. In essence, it's all about balance. Let your head lead, but don't let your heart fall too far behind. The journey to overcoming emotional investing mistakes is a marathon, not a sprint. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful investment tips. Happy investing!